Welcome to Factful Finance, where we take the world of money and make it come to life. Today, we're diving into something that could completely change the way you think about launching your own business. How AI can help you start a consulting business and make money with it. Now imagine using technology to not only streamline your work, but to position yourself as an expert in a highly lucrative space. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's possible. Let's break it down step by step. Let's talk numbers for a second. Did you know the global AI consulting market is projected to grow by over 40% in the next few years? That's a huge opportunity, and it's no surprise that businesses everywhere are looking to integrate AI into their strategies. So how can you, an aspiring entrepreneur, capitalize on this trend? How can you start a consulting business that's built around AI and stand out in the crowded marketplace? The answer is simpler than you might think. Leverage AI tools to create scalable, high-value services. But there's a catch. You need to know exactly how to use these tools to their fullest potential. Here's how to get started. First, understand that AI isn't just about using fancy software. It's about how you can use AI to solve problems for your clients. Whether it's helping a small business automate their processes, guiding a startup in their data-driven decision-making, or creating personalized marketing strategies for e-commerce platforms, AI's role in business is limitless. The question is, how do you package this into a service that people are willing to pay for? Start by identifying your niche. Let's say you're passionate about data analytics. You could help businesses extract actionable insights from their data using AI-driven tools. Imagine this. You work with a retail business, and through AI tools, you analyze their customer behavior data, helping them optimize their inventory and marketing strategies. This isn't just data entry, it's about transforming information into strategy. Now let's dive deeper into the steps you'll need to take to launch your AI-powered consulting business. Step 1. Build a foundation of knowledge. If you're serious about becoming an AI consultant, you need to have a solid understanding of the technology. This doesn't mean you need to become a coding expert, but you do need to understand the basic principles behind AI. Platforms like Coursera, edX, or Udacity offer courses on AI and machine learning that can help you build a foundation. Additionally, getting familiar with industry tools like Google Cloud AI or IBM Watson can give you a huge edge. You'll want to stay ahead of trends, so consistently updating your knowledge is crucial. Step 2. Define your service offering. Once you've built that knowledge base, it's time to decide on the exact service you'll provide. Will you focus on data analysis? AI chatbots? Predictive analytics? Choosing a service based on what you're passionate about will not only keep you engaged, but it will also allow you to position yourself as an expert in that area. For instance, Olivia, a recent AI consultant, decided to specialize in AI-driven customer support systems. She worked with a company to integrate a chatbot powered by natural language processing, saving the company 30% on customer service costs. It's clear, narrowing your focus allows you to deliver targeted, high-value services. Step 3. Develop your portfolio. No one hires a consultant without seeing some proof of your expertise. So you need to start building a portfolio. You don't need dozens of clients right off the bat. Start small. Offer free consultations or discounted services to your first clients in exchange for testimonials or case studies. These early projects will help you demonstrate your value and establish credibility. Think about Noah, a new AI consultant who helped a local e-commerce store implement a recommendation algorithm. His first project generated an additional $10,000 in sales for the client. Noah was able to showcase this case study, and within months, he had enough traction to scale his business. Step 4. Leverage AI tools to enhance your operations. One of the biggest advantages of being an AI consultant is that you can use AI to run your business more efficiently. There are tools for everything: project management, marketing, client relationship management, and more. Using AI tools to automate repetitive tasks like scheduling or data entry allows you to focus on higher value work. For example, tools like HubSpot use AI to manage email campaigns and nurture leads, which can help you scale your business while keeping operational costs low. Step 5. Market your services effectively. The best AI consultant in the world isn't going to get far if no one knows about them. So you need a strategy to reach potential clients. One great way to do this is through content marketing. Share your insights on AI, case studies, and industry trends on platforms like LinkedIn or Medium. You could even create webinars or workshops to demonstrate your expertise. Emma, a successful consultant in AI automation, used YouTube to share tutorials on automating processes using AI, which brought her a steady stream of clients. Remember, the more you share, the more you build your reputation. Step 6. Scale your business. Once you've built a solid foundation, it's time to scale. This could mean bringing on other consultants, automating more tasks with AI, or even expanding your services. Let's say you specialize in AI-driven market research. Once you've honed your process and established a steady stream of clients, you can hire other AI experts, allowing you to handle larger projects and scale the business quickly. AI isn't just about the future, it's already here, and it's transforming industries across the globe. By positioning yourself as an AI consultant, you're tapping into an ever-growing field that's showing no signs of slowing down. Whether you're helping businesses become more efficient, make smarter decisions, or enhance their customer experience, AI is a game changer. But remember, starting a consulting business, no matter how tech-forward, is still a business. You need to plan, strategize, and continually learn. But with the right mindset, expertise, and use of AI, there's a world of opportunity waiting for you. So what's your next move? Which area of AI consulting excites you the most? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more expert tips. And remember, this content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always consult with a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. Want to know how AI is shaping the future of investments? You'll want to catch the next video where we dive deep into how AI is transforming investment strategies. See you there.